हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो? आपका स्वागत है त्रिपान स्टडी सेंटर में। आज जो हम करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 10 सोशल साइंस ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर रिसोर्स एंड डेवलपमेंट, यानी सामाजिक विज्ञान का जो है कक्षा 10वीं के लिए भूगोल का जो अध्ययन आया है हमारे समक्ष, संसाधन एवं विकास, जो कि काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। इसमें जो है हम एमसीक्यू के अंतर्गत जो है क्वेश्चन को एनालाइज करेंगे, समझेंगे, और यहाँ मल्टी चॉइस क्वेश्चन जो रहेंगे काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण रहेंगे बोर्ड एग्जाम के व्यू से, क्योंकि बोर्ड एग्जाम में जो क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे हम उन्हीं क्वेश्चनों को जो है एनालाइज करेंगे। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात ये रहेगा कि त्रिपान स्टडी सेंटर ये जो होगा टेक्स्ट से लाएगा, यानी पाठ्यक्रम से जो होगा एमसीक्यू तैयार होगा। तो ये बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए भी काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण हो जाता है, और यहाँ विश्वास किया जाता है कि ये जो होंगे बोर्ड एग्जाम में भी आने के चांसेस रहेंगे। तो इसको आप अच्छे से कर लेना, समझना। लेकिन एमसीक्यू करने से पहले एक बात जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, जिसको आपको सोचना भी चाहिए, विचार भी करना चाहिए और इवन अमल भी करना चाहिए, वो ये है कि जब भी वीडियो देखिए पूरा देखिए, क्योंकि अधूरा जानकारी सदैव खतरनाक होता है। साथ में एक इंपॉर्टेंट बात ये भी रहता है, अगर आप पहली बार वीडियो देख रहे हो तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, क्योंकि दोस्तों लाइक कीजिएगा तो बनाने वाले का मनोबल बढ़ता है, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा तो इससे ये होता है कि जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालूंगा उसका नोटिफिकेशन आपको समय रहते मिल जाएगा। और देखिए शेयर का मतलब ये होता है कि आपके थ्रू ना जाने किन बच्चों को हेल्प मिल जाए, ये आप भी नहीं जानोगे, इसलिए जो है आप शेयर जरूर करो, ठीक है। व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पे भी लगाओ। दोस्तों एनएसएस सेंटर जो कई मानने में बहुत से बच्चों के लिए हेल्पफुल है, चाहे वो 8th क्लास हो, 9th 10th 11th 12th हो, चाहे वो एनआईएस बोर्ड के बच्चे हों, ठीक है, चाहे बीए एमए के बच्चे हो, सभी क्लासों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ जो है त्रिपान एनएसएस सेंटर में उपलब्ध है। तो इसलिए आपके लिए ज़रूरी है कि आप सब्सक्राइब करके इसको चैनल को जो है सेव कर लो, नहीं तो बाद में अगर रिसर्च करोगे तो शायद आपको ये चैनल प्राप्त ना हो। तो इसलिए सोचना नहीं, विचार नहीं करना है, सब्सक्राइब करके जो है अपने पास सेव करना है। दोस्तों ये तो बात था आपके लिए, लेकिन आप देखते हैं हमारा आज टॉपिक क्या है। टुडे वी डिस्कशन मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू हियर, क्लास 10 cbse ncert geography here, chapter resources and development, that's important for the board exam view here. Today Tripan Study Center discuss a most important MCQ here. The MCQ is the most important for the exam view. Important also here, there is a on your textbooks here the MCQ taking here. Let's see first question here. The first MCQ here, black soil are common in. Black soils are common in. The option here, 4 option. You see, Deccan Trough region, Kashmir Valley, Ganga Valley, Northern Plain. That's important. 4 option. You know that. Come on. It's a test your knowledge. You get a few seconds. You must have a thought of you answer. That's important. Let's see what is our answer this question. That's important. Know that is a Kashmir Valley is a black soil, so nothing is present here. And Ganga Valley, the nothing. And Northern Plains also nothing. But answer here, A, Deccan Trough region. A, Deccan Trough region. That's important here. And let's see next question. On your screen, the question here, laterite soils are very useful for a growth. That's important. Laterite soil are very useful for a growing rice, wheat and mustard. First option. Second here, tea, coffee and cashew nut. And see here, pulses, sugarcane and raisin. And third, none of the above. You know that is the most important question. Come on, test your knowledge. I'm giving you, get a few seconds. You know, you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. That's important here. First of all, analyze this question. The rice, wheat and mustard does not grow for here laterite soil. That's important. And pulses, sugarcane and raisins does not grow elytral soils here. And none of the above, there is nothing is possible. But the answer here B. The B, tea, coffee, and custom nut, because this is growing for a later soils very easily. That's important here. Let's see next question. The question arrive here on screen. Black soil is deficient in. You know that is important. Black soil is a deficient in. The option here: calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, phosphoric continents. That's the most important for the black soil deficient here. Come on, test your first of all your knowledge, and I give you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question is most interesting. Black soil is deficient in. You know that deficient in. Calcium carbonate is nothing here. Magnesium not applicable here. But potassium is also not applicable. But answer over phosphoric continent. You know that is important. The black soil is a deficient in phosphoric continent. That's important answer. Let's see next question. Next question arrive in your screen. The question here: in which of the following state is a black soil found? You know that is an important question. In which of the following state is black soil found? That's important and easy question here. The option here: Jammu and Kashmir, B is Gujarat, C is Rajasthan, and D Jharkhand. That's important option here. First of all, you guess, test your knowledge. I'm gonna give you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. In which of the following state is a black soil found? That's important. An important answer here. Jammu and Kashmir, there is not a black soil found here. First of all, Rajasthan also is a desert area, but Jharkhand is not a thing found a black soil. But is Gujarat is the most important here of black soil area, because some part of Gujarat there is a Bhuj, but most of the area here a black soil is found. That's important answer on this questions here. Let's see next question. Next question on your screen. The question is the most important and interesting here. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy? You know that this question is most important. First of all, you understand this question. What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy 1952? That's important. The option here 33%, B here 22.5%, C is a 31%, D is a 30%. You know that the maximum answer here or 30 is around here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I'm giving you few seconds. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question understand? What percentage of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy is 1952. That's important question here for the exam view. You know that the all answer is around a 30. The first of all B is here 22.5 eliminate. You know that and C is a 31, that is also eliminate, and 30 is D here, eliminate. But option is here answer B. B is a correct answer for this question. There is a 33% of our land should be under forest according to the National Forest Policy. This is a according year in a 1952, not a present. It is according 1952. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question is very interesting. Material is the environmental which have to the potential to satisfy human needs. What human beings do not have appropriate of technology to be assessed them are called. That's important question here. The materials in the environment which have the potentially to satisfy humans need, but human beings do not have appropriate technology to be assessed them is called. The option here: potential resources, stock, development resource, reserves. That's the four option. This is the most important regarding this. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for this question. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. You know that question, understand you? The materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs. That's an important question here. The answer here, that's important. Potential resources are not applicable on these questions. And development resources, nothing here. And reserves, that's a no. But the answer is B, stock. Answer here B, stock. The materials is the environment which have to the potential safety human needs. There is a stock. That's important answer here. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen. The question here: India has a territorial water extend up to a distance of. You know that's an important question. India has a territorial water extend up to a distance of. The option here: 12 kilometer, 12 nautical mile, 19.2 miles, 200 nautical miles. That's important option here. First of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for this question. Knowledge your. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important. You know that the two options is already here. Eliminate, because this is a very different for this answer. First here A, 12 kilometers eliminate, and C, 99.2 miles. There is here two answer is here important. 200 nautical miles, B, 12 nautical miles. That's important. But answer is a 1. There is answer is a B, 12 nautical mile. That's important answer here. 12 nautical mile. That's important. Let's see next question. The next here question: resources that take a long geological time for their formation is called. You know that's important. The resources that take a long geologically time for their formation is called. The four options that's the most important: renewable resources, reserve, B and C community resources, D here non-renewable resources. You know that is the most important option here. I give you few seconds for a test your knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is an interesting resource that take a long geological time for their formation is called. First of all, renewable resource is not applicable here. Renewable resource is not here. Reserve is also is rejected here. And community resource, nothing here. The answer here, non-renewable resource, because their formation of there is a longer geological time here. That is a non-renewable resource. The answer is D, non-renewable resources. The next year, area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as. You know that the question is most interesting here. Area sown more than once in an agriculture year plus net sown area is known as. The first of all here, net sown area. You know that there is a answer is a misprint here. And B is a forest cover, C is a wasteland, and D is a gross cropped area. You know that's important. There is a most important. First of all, I give you few seconds, test your knowledge. That's important here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question. You know that the eliminator method is the most important applicable on this question. First of all, net sown area is eliminated here. And forest cover is not a applicable answer here. And also here, wasteland is not a suitable for this answer. But gross cropped area, that's important answer. The answer is the ninth here, a D, gross cropped area, that's important. And let's see next question. The next question arrive here on screen. The total degraded land in our country is. The total degraded land in our country is. That's important question here. The option is the most interesting. A, 133 million hectare. Second here, B, 130 million square kilometer. And C, 140 million hectare. And D is 130 million hectare. You know that's important. So first of all, your knowledge here, strike there. But take a few seconds, test your knowledge first of all. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. That's important. You know that first of all, use a elimination method. Elimination method asked here, a B directly eliminate because 130 million square kilometer is not applicable here. The answer is a 3, but answer is here 1. A is a 133 million hectare is not a favorable answer. That is not a favorable answer. And 140 million hectare, there is a higher number here. But the center is a D answer. 130 million hectare, that is a good answer. 130 million hectare, that answer of 10th question here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.